Good vibes.
Hey! No,
Good
no, no.
vibes.
No.
Chi-
Kiki.
Cute dog. What's your name? Ah, you have your shoes. Wow. What's your name?
Muchi.
Mochi Mochi. Mochi Mochi. Wow, this is so cute. How old is this cute dog?
1 year na lang. 1 year.
So 1 year. What is the food?
Mga ano po, mga pagkain, ay mga gulay po.
So vegetables. Okay.
Minsan po, dog
Mochi Mochi. So cute. Hi. Yeah, it's so cute. Oh, hello Muchi. Have a good day, good vibes. Hi. Okay, so how many times you how many times you take a bath this dog?
Ano po, isang araw po sa isang linggo.
So in 1 week, only once.
Okay.
Okay, so if you're going to take a bath, this kind of dog, just once.
Okay.
In 1 week, one only.
Okay.
Okay, just one. It's okay. So, do you give meat?
Opo, minsan lang po.
Sometimes.
Opo.
Okay, so that's it. So, is this dog friendly?
Ano po, friendly naman po siya, kaso bigla-bigla lang po nagugulat. Pero hindi po siya nakakagat.
Cute! So cute! Very cute! Is this a boy or girl?
Boy po.
That's a boy. But you're wearing a shoes. The color is violet. Hi. Okay, so love your pet, love your dog. Okay, so okay, stress reliever. Right. Okay, so
Hey, no!
says hi.
Hoy!
Okay.
Yung sapatos mo, ano?
Okay, so that's it. Uy.